it's Annie. I have something else interesting to show you. So I had been getting my nails done at the nail salon, and I have had them use the color changing nail polish. I decided that I wanted to do it at home by myself. So I found this on Amazon and I was super excited to get it. So here are all the colors. They're all super cute. There is a black that turns to brown, a purple that turns to blue, a pink that turns to light pink, and a purple that turns to pink, a blue that turns to silver, and a red that turns almost clear. And here is close-ups of how it looks in the bottle so that you can get an idea of what you'll be working with if you decide to try this product for yourself. Color changing nail polish is so much fun and I am really excited to try it. Here is the gel polish curing light that I bought also on Amazon. It's 120 watts. It's supposed to be very good for drying the polish and getting the hardness that you kind of want. Getting everything out of the box, the polish looks good, the nail light looks good. It's got a convenient little handle so that you can pick it up and move it easily. And there is where the plug goes in the back. Here is the base and top coat that I had to order separately on Amazon. It did not come with the color changing gel nail polish. Here is everything. I'm really excited. First, of course, I had to paint the nails. Polish goes on smoothly. It all kind of depends on your skill level as to how good it's going to look in the end when you decide to do this kind of thing by yourself. I would definitely recommend this polish. It turned out great. I love watching the colors change, and my son loves to pour like cold water on my nails when we go to the pool so that he can see the change also. And the light is great. I do recommend all of these products.